Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate GetResponse affiliate program for webinar signups, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate the GetResponse affiliate program for webinar signups, start by visiting the GetResponse website. Log into your existing GetResponse account or create a new one if necessary. Once logged in, navigate to the Partner section in the main menu. Click on Affiliate Program to access the details about the program. Review the terms and conditions to ensure you understand the guidelines and requirements. After reading the information, look for the option to join the affiliate program. Fill out the application form with the required personal and payment information. Submit your application and wait for the approval notification via email. Once approved, log back into your GetResponse account and go to the affiliate dashboard. From the dashboard, locate your unique affiliate link for promoting webinars. Copy this link for use in your marketing efforts. Next, set up your webinar using the GetResponse platform. In the webinar settings, look for the option to integrate your affiliate link. Add this link wherever prompted to ensure your referrals track correctly. Promote your webinar using social media, email campaigns, and other platforms using the affiliate link. Monitor your affiliate dashboard regularly to track signups and commissions. Lastly, continue to engage your audience to maximize your webinar attendance and affiliate earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.